Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to download WhatsApp Business on any laptop. Now to do that, just open Google Chrome. Now to visit WhatsApp Business official website, in the search bar, just search whatsapp.com. From here, just click on download. Now from here, you can click on the files icon to go to downloads, or you can open the files app, then go to download. And from here, you can find the WhatsApp installer file in the download section. After that, just right click on the WhatsApp file and select Run as Administrator. Now, once the WhatsApp business is fully installed, you will see this page. Now, from here, just log into using your WhatsApp business number. Now, if you cannot find the WhatsApp business on your desktop, just click on the search box and search WhatsApp. And from here, you can find WhatsApp Business from here. And also from here, you can pin WhatsApp Business to start and you can pin it to taskbar, just like that. And this is how you can download WhatsApp Business on any laptop. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.